So guys, magluluto tayo ng, sa aking pag-iisip, crispy pork belly. Pero nagiging barbecue. Sige, pakita ko sa inyo. Pero napakasarap niya. Ang sarap-sarap. At halos maubos ng aking asawa lahat. Kain lang ako ng 3.5 hiwa. Tapos, halos ubusin ng asawa ko. Grabe. Namiss kasi talaga niya yung... Ako din, namiss ko rin naman yung lechon sa atin sa Pilipinas. Kaso, wala hanggang pangarap lang. Meron akong nabili yung, parang 2 kilo yata yung pork belly sa kaibigan kong Chinese dito na may-ari ng restaurant. Nag-offer. Yun, nakabili ako. So, sa Christmas, lulutuin natin yon. Pero ngayon, itong lulutuin natin, I am just dreaming of crispy pork belly, but it's not. Kasi they remove the skin of the pork belly. So, ginawan ko ng paraan. Para-paraan lang. So, lisami, bien voir comment je cuis notre pork barbecue. Et c'est très très bon. So, this is, guys, our pork belly here in Quebec. C'est quoi pork belly en français, honey? Pork... the belly?
Le ventre du porc.
Okay, le ventre du porc. Mais j'essayais de faire the crispy pork belly, but just now I noticed that there's no skin. So, and they cut strips. So, what I will do now, I will just do it like barbecue. And I have here, we are good in recycling. So, I will put it here. Actually, yesterday night, I already marinate this pork belly with salt and pepper. So, we'll put it here and we will brush the top with vinegar and salt. Actually, overnight in the crispy pork belly, you need to brush the vinegar, baking soda, and salt. Brush it in the skin overnight and put in the ref and leave it there overnight. But since I did not do that, I will do it this time before putting in the oven. Okay guys, so we're just transferring this one in this plate, and then I'm brushing it now with the vinegar. This vinegar is with baking soda, 1 teaspoon. Si de vinaigre et on cuillerati de pour the baking soda powder. I don't know what it gonna came out because it's like this, our pork belly here in our place. So we just do it like a barbecue. Okay, but we wanted a crispy skin, but the skin is already removed. So now I will add some salt. I will write in the description box what I marinate with this one. Actually, I marinate only with salt and black pepper, but if you want to marinate, just not put a lot of salt so that the meat will not be salty. So les amis, si tu fais le marinade de viande, ne mets pas beaucoup de sel, just un peu pour que le viande n'est pas salé. C'est ça, alors on va préchauffer notre oven à 400 Te apresa ang bamet sit barbecue. So now guys, our oven is already preheated. So what's here? A plate, a water, and I put here. So I will put now that one now in the oven. On the plant, water, and this one. So that when maybe I'm sure that there's water will gonna drip in this plate, so make sure you have something to put under. Okay, and then now we will put it in the oven. So we bake it there for 15 minutes and we will check. Like I have here 400-degree. So after 15 minutes guys, that's what happened now. It's like golden brown, but we need to put something at the center. I think I need to put some salt again. I think I need to put it again another 30 minutes, but yeah, just like that. Another 30 minutes there. So guys, this is after 15 minutes. I just removed the water in the tray and check the water. So it's golden brown at the top. Now we will, and as you can see here, some part is not golden brown, but only here, this one. But now we will broil it. Okay. I will just broil it for 15 minutes, or I will check high, broil high. So this is guy what happened to our barbecue in the oven. There's still a lot, so the pork is making some juice in there, and I will remove that juice and then we will transfer it here. Okay, did you see that? Actually the skin here is crispy. Yeah, did you hear? Oh no. And the barbecue turns out like this. I think it's yummy already. So I will put this back again in the oven for a couple of minutes, like 10 minutes maybe. And yeah, because guys, I'm curious what's the taste, so we will try. I cut some piece and we will try what's the taste of that. Yeah, tastes like lechon, but need some more to cook. So guys, this is our barbecued pork. I just brushed this one with again the vinegar and what's that, baking soda, and I sprinkle some salt because it's not really salty, the meat here, just the top where the skin is the salty. So I will put this back again in the oven. Guys, I just flip it up, and as you can see, I will show you. Here's this one. It's like golden brown, and I flip it up again. I brush with vinegar with baking soda and dazzle with some salt. So now I will put back in the oven, broil it for like 3 minutes, and you can see this one color. And so that's it guys. I think it's good now. Yeah, and we are very hungry. Away I will. Oh my god, my rice is ready here. As you can see, the oil of the pots. Check, it's golden brown. So now I'm ready to eat. Our barbecue is done. So now guys, I will eat my barbecue, and I have some Pinot Noir here. It's really, really yummy. Why not? Magkamay. Magkamay tayo. Wow. I like when the fats is grilled, you know, the taste of the fats. It's really yummy, guys. This rice, guys, is actually from the Philippines. Last year when we go there, I bring some, but I did not cook it very fast. It's like you're eating some lechon. The taste is really lechon. Did you hear my husband eating? Oh, cheers. My God. My God. Aking pusa. Nanghihingi ng barbecue. Diyos ko, ang sarap-sarap, guys. Hindi ko muna isawsaw sa toyo at suka. Feel ko na ko muna itong walang sausaw. Maya sasawsaw ako. Ang sarap-sarap, guys. Okay, guys, kuha lang muna ako ng toyo at suka. Ha? Okay, guys, so nandyan na yung ating toyo at suka. Parang sarap-sarap. Ito yung parts niya na tinanggalan yung skin. This is the side of the parts that the skin is removed. It's like that here, our pork. My God. Oh my God. Really tastes like lechon. I expect to do pork white just with pork belly, but when I check now, the skin is removed of the pork belly. Wow. My God. Ang sarap-sarap, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Ito lang kasi, ginagawa natin. Nahanapan natin ng paraan. Paano kain ng parang lechon baboy. Parang lechon. Kaya, yung talagang, yung parang pork belly na square, yung iro-roll mo. Meron ako nabili sa isang kaibigan ko. Tuin ko yun ngayong Christmas. Itong humba style siguro sana to, no? Humbain ko na lang yung iba. Yung hiniwa nila, yung tinanggalan yung skin. Pero yung may nabili akong may skin, yun, lechon roll ko yun, guys. So, abangan nyo, guys. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Nanonood. Hello, guys. So, our barbecue is, there's 2 left only because I have my husband, he loves to eat, and we supposed to left 4 piece, and he go back and take another 2 piece. So now what's that? It's 2, and I will keep that one.
No,
So
I'll eat that one before you sleep.
did you hear that? What he's saying? If I manges sa uncle kanjo bedomi, he will eat that again when I will go to sleep. And there's no more left for tomorrow. Because it's very yummy. He likes it. So, guys, it's like that here in our place here in Quebec, in Victoriaville. The pork belly, you don't expect pork belly in Walmart that there's still skin, because they remove the skin. If you want to buy pork belly, same thing like as in a you need in Asia, in Philippines, you need to go in Montreal or in Quebec, maybe there you can find it there. Yeah, go to do the lechon. Here is different. My yesterday I'm thinking, oh, I can eat crispy pork belly, but no, it turns out into barbecue. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching and supporting me all my vlogs. Thank you so much, and think positive always, and God bless us all. Thank you. Thank you.